Hello and welcome, dear friends of process analysis. Today we are back with a new YouTube video concerning extended time study functionalities. After executing the analysis, you can easily create work, assembly or set up instructions or further documents with the TimeStudy T1 basic module or TimeStudy T1 video analysis. The best of this is that it can be done in multilingual text documents. Based on the Google or Microsoft translators, text can be translated into more than 100 different languages. Our client told us that the translations are not so bad. As always, we have prepared a small example to illustrate the procedure for you. In the small example, a hard drive is assembly in a notebook. With the TimeStudy T1 basic module, we analyze the assembly process and create a multilingual work instruction at the end. Let's start the analysis. At the beginning, we create a new process analysis and fill out the project datasheet. We limit this example to the short form. In other TimeStudy YouTube videos, this is explained in more detail. We continue with creating process step definitions. Here too, only the short version. The process step definitions are managed in the standardized central library and can be taken from it directly when the process steps are created. After a short introduction how to create a new time study in TimeStudy T1, we have now loaded a complete time study with all process steps and measured time data in the TimeStudy system for reason of time. Now let's quickly execute the analysis. We provide the reports of the analysis in YouTube for downloading. After the analysis, we can start the export of data into the template of a work instruction. Now we start the export of process data into the template of work instruction. In the first step, we export the process data in German language. The Excel template has been created before in Excel and link it with the TimeStudy system. The process step analyzed before concerning the notebook assembly have been exported into the Excel template in German language. Now we choose another language for the export and have a look at the results. All process steps defined have been translated into English. At the last, let's try another language to test the translation. Now we use the Polish language. After the export, all defined process steps are translated into the Polish language. Our customers have told us that the translation is not so bad. You can of course edit images to the work instructions. We also have a tool for this that makes it quick and easy. We hope you like our short examples for automatic translation of process step definitions. We would be pleasured to welcome you to one of our next YouTube videos. One more note. The analysis results reports are attached to the YouTube text. Ciao, take care, stay healthy, and until the next YouTube video. Bye, your TimeStudy team.